Hey my lovely ladies, welcome to my channel where bridal dreams meet beauty magic. I'm Nida, your go-to professional bridal makeup and hair artist. Please do hit that subscribe button and let's get. So today I'm going to actually go through how I do my lashes. So as you can see, I've already kind of done a little bit and then I thought, oh, let me just do a video. So I've got a lot of rubbish here, but I'm going to go through one of the sets. So I have a pair of scissors, I'll have my lashes, so I've got quite a bit here, but some of them I will just leave in the packs like this because they are spares and extras. Otherwise, the ones that come in individual packs like this, if I do find them at a good price and things like that, I will just grab them when I can, and when I see them, sorry. So I've already done number 34 and number 34 and number 31 from this set, from the Peaches and Cream here. So now I'm going to show you how I do number 36. It's just obviously another pair of lashes, don't know if you can see them there. So that's that. These are more the bridal side of things, or the more heavy glam. So I just remove the box, gets thrown to the side. I'm going to chop the ends off just like so. So just nip that on the side there. Close that. And do this side as well. Oh, let's get it right close up. And it's for the ability of carrying as much as you can in your kit and not making it too heavy. So just making sure that you're chopping enough off on each side. I usually tend to keep this part on here. Sorry guys, the battery had actually died on me, so I've just popped the other one in. And as I was saying, I keep my lashes in where my shadows and everything are based really in here. So I have one of these, just a normal bag. It's actually covered with PVC as well, which is really great. As you can see, it's getting a bit messy, so when I do sanitize and clean my kit, you will be able to see how that benefits in the long run as well, durability wise as well. It comes with two straps like this, so you can actually grab them. Again, you can use them for anything really. So with my lashes, the way it's worked is in here I've got multiple of lashes, it's not just one. So I've kept the box of one of them and then popped the other ones as well. So I've got very dramatic ones. If I open that here, you'll be able to see that I've got quite dramatic individuals, and then on top of that I've got the wispies as well, and they are individuals for those clients that don't normally like lashes and they're not used to wearing them. They have very sensitive eyes and they know that it's going to affect their makeup and the durability of it throughout the day, or if they do request, I will just jump into that. So that is my individuals. I did get some off Amazon and I think they're amazing actually, to be fair. So those are them. I've got some lashes here. These, I can't lie to you, I actually found them off Shein, and I'm really excited to try them. The bands don't look too thick and uncomfortable, so again, I'm all about trial and error and see what works. I know that lashes can be very costly, like the Peaches and Cream lashes. I'm sure they're about £7-ish, don't quote me on it. And that again is still a lot, and if you're spending up to £15 a lash, like, it can get very expensive. But for your brides specifically, I'm trying out the Peaches and Creams. I heard a lot about Tatti lashes and there's a few brands, but I personally, I've also got some more here. These are quite dramatic. You can see I keep different types of lashes. I do love my wispy lashes, I can't lie. I don't like the chunk, thick, very overly dramatic. They look very fake. I just can't. It's just not my vibe. It's not the type of makeup that I like, so I don't want to include it in my kit. But I do have the heavier dramatic ones. But again, they are wispy, they are dramatic, but they're very fluffy. And then obviously I've got some just delicate ones, and then again, fluffy, wispy, dramatic, and then again you can layer these up on top of each other. Just depends. Like these, I would personally use these for more of my mature, or someone that's a little bit younger that doesn't want the full drama there. So I just pop those in there. The larger pack of lashes don't fit, so I would just zip that up and it would normally just sit right here. So this would go in my bag. There you go, and it would fit right there. Something I forgot to mention is I do also keep my lash glue. So I have Eyelure, don't know if that you can see that very clearly, but it's just the Eyelure London lash glue. It's the 18-hour lash, and then I keep my scissors also in the same pouch. I do have another one from Huda, which, oh, there you go, this is another one as well. So I'm trying out the Huda lash glue. Apparently it's really good, it's waterproof as well. So I want the normal one, but I also want a waterproof one as well. That just gets popped into there, so I'm not like basically messing around trying to find out what is going on with my lash glue and where to find it, because that's what's just happened. And then that's pretty much it for how I do my lashes. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you till the next one.